So in addition to that, we write a lot of different, mechanics like storyboards and documents in terms of like keeping us honest about the different points that we should cover with the right notes and the right sequence of what we do. So kind of as a proxy to that, I'll show you something that you can do that I think is pretty compelling in terms of being able to write documents that you might write every single day. So I'm going to share my screen again. This time, though, I'll start in a Word document here. Now, the Word document on the left-hand side, you can see that I've actually got a KB article. So I'll just go through what's all there. Now here, so if I go into what's actually in the document, let me just hold on a sec. I'm going to turn off my laser pointer. There we go. So if I go into the document on the left-hand side, I actually have my article. Just to kind of scroll down the article, you can see it's got support documentation, things that you might write every day, things I used to write when I was working every day in IT. It's got all the kind of main points. And this is the format that I want to be able to basically copy as I write a new document with how to use, in my case, Intune remote help. So this might be the same as if you write letters of intent all day or sales agreements, those types of things. I've got my notes here on the right. And I kind of want to make a document out of the two of those. And the main way to do this is being very specific with your prompts. So I've got a prompt that says, write me a new article, cite the original KB 818, the one on the left, and write a new one based on my new notes on the right, and additional information can be sought through Microsoft.com for Intune remote help. So this is running at normal speed, and you can see as it starts to create the article, it's in the same format as the one on the left. It's gone out and it's actually found additional information. Remember, my document was pretty Spartan on the right in terms of all the things that it had to find information for, because I just had a couple of different bullet point steps as to how to do a remote help session. So it's found out what remote help is, how it works through Microsoft.com sites. In our case, it started to create another knowledge base article for that for my IT team. And it's going to basically continue writing everything for me to where it's not going to maybe get it to where it's 100% exactly how I want it when it's all done. But it's saving me a lot of initial research, a lot of time, especially compared to the notes, because it knows that I want something similar to the document that I had written before, and it's used that basically as inspiration to help write something similar to that using my notes. Then it's gone and used the web grounding, like I mentioned with grounding before, to be able to find the additional information as part of that. So that's one example of using that inside of Word. Now, there we just saw not only text generation, we saw it parsing longer than it would normally be able to look at the document on the left for the prompt. So it had to orchestrate all of that. Then it had to take all the additional information in the web and in the other document on the right. Now it's given me a personalized response in the voice and tone that I want that matches that original left side document.